Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the yellow or orange screen on Samsung Galaxy S25. If your screen appears only orange, that may be because this eye protection has been enabled, and to enable that, to disable that, go to the settings. See, the screen is really orange, and in person it appears even more orange. You can go to the display, eye comfort shield, and you can disable it all together or enable it back again, but set it to adaptive, for example, so it'll change the screen colors based on the time of the day, but I prefer it disabled so it just has the natural colors. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.